Hey all and welcome. I'm going to talk a little bit about the gear I have and how I use it to create the sound. I got a lot of effects pedals hooked up to my keyboard and some other ones hooked up to this modular thing, as well as a little drum machine. I'm going to start with just like the piano effects. So right now, just normal piano sound, not hooked up to anything. So the first pedal is like kind of like a warble, pitch warble. Kind of, here's a more dramatic setting, but I usually have it around here to get that nice vinyl warble kind of thing. And it also has a filter. Really love this pedal. Next I got an octave pedal, but I also use it, there's this other setting that it has on there. Really cool effect. And then sometimes I have it just as an octave pedal. Just to add that kind of interesting sound to it. Then this is the analog delay pedal I really like using for sounds like kind of that stuff. I love doing that. Can even make it like more intense. But I really love using this in a lot of all of my solo stuff. Also got a bit crusher pedal. I usually have it turned down pretty low. Kind of make it more lo-fi, but then some really cool like really cool sounds that you can get out of it. Also, last one is a tremolo pedal. Kind of spacey vibe. Really like combining all of these. Usually I have most of them on. Usually the octave pedal I don't have on, but here's it with all of them on. Also sounds really good with electric piano. Yeah, so here, those are all the pedals that I have hooked up to piano. Here is the drum machine I use. Can do a lot of neat things on there, like a lot of like can do effects while you're like using it. Still getting used to it. But then I also have this thing that the drum machine is going through, that additional effects that I can use. Just to add kind of texture to the drums. Also has like a synth on it, used sometimes. But yeah, that's a drum machine. And then lastly, I have this kind of semi-modular system that I have just like bubbles going mostly. And these are going through a reverb and compressor to just like give it a little bit more space. But yeah, just use it for some bubble sounds and like effects. Sometimes it's like going on in the background the whole song, and sometimes it's I do it little sweeps like that. So yeah, I'll show you just like everything together real quick. He's back on regular piano. yeah, so I hope you enjoyed getting a little inside look at all my gear I have and that I use. Thanks for joining me. Take care.